Hello everybody, welcome back. In the earlier video of this drastic model, I actually used three parameters to build the model, but some people say it for convenience to use all the parameters. So in this lecture or tutorial, in the first part, I'm going to show you guys using all the parameters how to build your model, and in the later part of this video I will also show you how to validate your model. Okay, so let's get into the video. So these are the three parameters that we created in the last video. I'm not going to create them again. Okay, so now we have done depth, aquifer, slope. Now we are going to use other medias. At first I'm going to import my shapefile. Okay, so this is my shapefile. Properties, I'm going to the attribute table. Here in the last video I showed you guys how to create this aquifer media column. Similarly, I have also created soil media and battle zone. So now we are going to make those maps. So to make those maps, again go to properties, go to symbology, then categories, find soil, add all values. Okay, create a color, apply. Okay, this is our soil map. So earlier I said that we can't use this map, I mean we can't give weight or rating to this map. This is it because it's a vector map, so we are going to make it raster. So search here, write feature to raster, then hit enter. After that, this conversion tool, under this conversion tool, feature to raster, click here. Okay, why is that taking so much time? Now soil, okay, fine, our soil map is ready, so I don't need the earlier one. Fine. Now let's, oh shit, what I did again, import shapefile. Okay, now we are going to do the same thing for Meadows media. Symbology, categories, Meadows zone. Okay, apply. Again, make this to raster, battle zone. Select your values, give it a name like USA. Okay. Okay, fine, cool. Our battle zone is ready. So this is our battle zone. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got our 5 features, now 2 remaining. Okay. Okay, now we are going to use what? Recharge and conductivity. Okay, now let's see how to calculate recharge. So this is my recharge data for every location, but to be frank, I didn't have recharge data for each and every location. So I only had information like for my study area, recharge value is 65 to 255 millimeter per year, but they didn't tell me in which location recharge is how much. So now you have some options like you can do this recharge for your study area is same for whole study area is one single value, or you can calculate recharge if you have location wise precipitation data. But if you don't have data, so and in my case I didn't have data, so what I did is I used a Landsat map, Landsat image, satellite image. Let me add. Okay. So why I used Landsat image is because I wanna see which location contains water body or which locations are highly built up area. So I assigned lowest rating like 65 to the built up areas and lowest recharge to the built up area, and I assigned highest recharge to the water bodies. So you can do that for yourself. I don't know, I found this something like this in a paper, so I also did that. Okay, now let's see how to use this Landsat image. So at first you need to download the image, then you can see location wise which location. So you can see over here to natural color image. This is a totally built up area, this one. So if you have any data point here, so you can assign the lowest recharge range. Like for my case it was 65 to 255, so I assigned 55 millimeter per year recharge for this built up area. Okay, so okay, this is the built up area to see more easily. Okay, now it's quite good. And you can also assign high recharge values for agricultural fields like this. These are agricultural fields. So now I'm going to import my location data. Okay. Fine, they're added. Yes, they're added. So now to show them good properties, go to level, now station, increase the size and make it white so you can see that. Oh, shit. Check it. Fine. Now we can see a location one. It's beside the water body. So this is the water body. So you can, okay, let me make it a little bigger. Okay, this location one is beside the water body, so we can assign a higher rating, higher recharge to this location. Similarly, this is this 26 number location. It's in a built up area, so you can assign lowest rating to this location recharge. So these are some ways you can use. I think you get the idea. Okay, fine. I don't need it anymore. Okay. Now we are going to interpolate our recharge map. Same way we did in the previous video. Okay. Alright, so to interpolate, search IDW, and IDW. Oh, sorry, it's from special list. So this is my recharge data. Now sheet 3. It's recharge. Then let's see. Save it. Go to environment. Processing extent. Union boundary. Mask it again, shapefile. Okay. Okay, fine. Our recharge map is ready. So now we have just one parameter left. So this final parameter is conductivity map. So I'm not going to do that again. I have just did it, so I'm now going to import it. It's the same thing. You have to do interpolation. Okay. Okay, this is a conductivity map. So now it's time to give rating and weighting. So to give rating, you have to reclassify this map. So for the first three, that is slope, aquifer, and depth, I have already reclassified them. Now it's time to reclassify other parameters. I don't need them anymore. Okay, shit. Fine. So right here, reclassify. Reclassify. Then under special list, which one? Say soil. And soil. First one was clay, clay loam, then silty loam, then loam. Okay, let's see our table. For clay loam, it's 3, then 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Okay, now here give the rating. It's 3, 4, and 5. Okay, while save it. Oh yes, okay, everything fine. Okay, fine, it's ready now. I am going to delete the previous one. Now again reclassify Meadows zone, Meadows, then Meadows, sealed fine sand, medium sand, sealed fine sand. Shit. Why sealed twice? I don't know. Oh, I have misused the spelling here. Sealed, I provided sealed first letter capital, and in here I provided sealed in smaller case. That's why they took it two classes. So don't worry, if you provide same thing, then it will not be a problem. So you're going to give them same rating. It was Meadows sealed 3, 5, 6, 8. 3, 5, 6, 8 sealed. 3, 5, 6, again 3 and 8. Okay. Meadows BD zone. Okay. Okay. Okay, Meadows zone is ready. Now I'm going to delete. And finally, oh, recharge again, recharge. I think you got the idea how to do that. Why is our recharge? Ah shit, have I deleted it? Oh, I think I deleted it somehow. But when? Slope, equivalent, Meadows, depth. Okay, fine, we'll do it without recharge. Now, conductivity. Classify. We got 3 classes, 4, 12, 25. So, manual. Four, 12, then what? 4, 12, sorry, 3 classes. 4, 12.2, then 25. Okay. Give it conductivity name CO and D. Save it. Okay. Fine. Conductivity. So now we got our all the parameters except to recharge. Somehow I deleted that parameter. I'm not going to do that again. So it's time to make final map. So now go to System Toolbox, Specialist, it's overlay, then weighted sum. Fine. Drag one by one. Okay. Now we just need to give weight. Conductivity is 3 maybe. Meadows what? let's see. Conductivity 3, values 5, topography 1, soil 2. Okay, so values 5, then soil 2, depth 5, aquifer maybe 4, soil slope 1. Okay, fine. Now save it, index, then run it. Let's see how it turns out. Yes, we have successfully completed our map. My final index is not that high because we have maximum zones with low rating. That's why. If you have high rating, then maybe it's because high rating classes, then you will have high index. So let's go to symbology and classify it to 3 classes and quantile. Apply. Okay, so these are the classes we got. Now you can say this is low, LRW, and then similarly second one is medium, third one is high, HIGH. So there is no strict method that or law that if your index is in this zone, then it has to be low. Then if your index is that, then it has to be high. There is no such law or rules. So it actually depends on your total range. So it's high. Fine. Apply. Okay. Fine. Okay, we don't need that. So this is our final index. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, then like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Okay.